Turbo. You can see the purple box here. I put this out. It was either last video or I put it out in Discord where we were looking for a reversal point. This fell perfectly right on that 200 on the 4 hour and is getting a nice bounce here. You can see we broke a resistance area right down through. You take that trend line, put it down through here. You can see it broke it. Looks like it's back testing it now. All right, we'll go over some targets here for this thing and take a look at that. First off, I want to show you Bitcoin. It's done the same thing really. On a daily, you broke a resistance area. It's going to 12. It's a little bit easier to see, right? Open this up a little bit. There you go. We broke that. I put in Discord that if we took out this high right over here, that this thing was going to go, right here. That's the fake out we got the other day that broke this resistance, ran up here. Looked like Bitcoin was going to go. Then it fell right back underneath that again. That's on the 12 hour. Then that was the next candle. This is the target I put for the bottom in there. You zoom in a little bit. You can see we came right down. Pull this over. Came almost down to it right there. Actually popped up a little bit sooner than I thought. Ended up bouncing at 92.8. I thought we were coming to about 92,680, so must have by about $100, something like that. Right now you can see this thing's running. Took out this high over here, which was huge. That gives it a higher high. You had this high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Right, so you're starting a trend reversal from a downtrend to an uptrend. Right, that's what you want to see here. It looks like Bitcoin can make a pretty decent move here on the 12 hour. I mean, this thing could come up, 102, 103 and a half. That's a 618702 retracement with a fib. Usually always get back up to at least them levels. All right, and we'll see what happens once we get up there. That is going to be the big question, but let's just see where else I could put this to show you. You always, these all broke through. Here's one here. Usually always retrace back to that area. You see that? Came right up to 618702 before it rolled over down here. You can put it on numerous spots on the chart and see that. Here, I can just tell by looking at that was definitely came up there. 702, you know what I mean? Usually always retrace to at least them levels. So we will see what happens once it gets up there. The RSIs look good, relative strength index. You got your weekly. Trying to turn back up here. All right, down here, it's hit this moving average and turning back up down on a regular RSI. Your daily's heading straight up right off the bottom. Looks good. All right, if we take a look at Turbo here, we came back right into this retracement zone out on a 12 hour. All right, you can see where these closing candles are at. What I'm looking at here, quite honestly, for this is a 5 wave up here. All right, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 up to the upside here. All right, now if that happens, that's a very nice move. That would happen to be from the retracement back up here. Yeah, that's a 46% move. That's a very, very nice move here. All right, that's what we'll be looking for. The 12 hour RSI just coming off the floor looks great. Your daily turning back to the upside. You can see it twisted back up here. The weekly's coming down. All right, you do have a bearish weekly on this thing, but overall, I think this thing is heading back to the upside. Right here, you just break a trend right here, and you can see it coming back down to test this now as support. Probably get your bounce right through there. Right in this. Let's put it on. I like the higher time frame support levels here. Like right through here looks really good on a 12. right there. And if we go back on the 4, yeah, see, look at all that support on that 12-hour right down here at, is that 0.00922. That's a, on the Fibonacci, what would that be for a retracement level? Wow, right on a 702. All right, that's perfect. Yeah, couldn't work out any better. That looks good. That is more likely going to leave that there because that's probably where this thing's going to bounce if it's not started already. You know, like I said, you got your 4-hour still coming down. Your 1 hour's probably, yeah, 1 hour's getting real close to the bottom here. Getting close. And this thing should be bouncing off here perfectly, right off the trend line and right off of a support level. Should be taken off to the upside here. All right, if we come back out on a 12-hour, you know, and you go off this prior high over here, you know, if we get up to these levels, that's very, very good news, right? That would mean a break of the 618-702. It could possibly be heading up here then next after that. We'll have to see. This could all be just a 1-2 right here, you know, working on a third wave here. It looks good. On a daily, that looks better. This definitely looks like a wave of 1-2 on a daily. Let me see if that's a 50% retracement. That's really close. That is a 618 retracement. That's all right. That's still good. I mean, that's where you'd be looking to bounce. That's your golden pocket. But we're gonna look for this move right here at a turbo next. All right, come join us in Discord, guys. Guys, we're making money over there. Got people putting great trades over there. Got almost 200 people over there. It's a level 3 membership. It's only $15 right now. Is the time to make money in crypto, man. These guys are killing it over there. You know, I put a few trades out over there this morning to keep an eye on stuff that has not broke yet. But these guys over here are making a killing. You know, especially with Caspa and other stuff. But yeah, I can wait for this to upload. Go check it out. It's a level 3 membership. Plus, you get 10 hours of videos to teach how to start charting like this, how to use all these tools, look for price targets, all that stuff. Over 20 videos, right? You get your money's worth. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.